Many times when our band kind of first started, we had this song and it never came out on a record, but we'll play it for you now. I think maybe it came out on an EP. Did it come out on an EP?
It came out on an EP.
All right, well, there you go. So it's in the world, but it's a very old song of ours. It's a love song to insomniacs everywhere. It's called Interruptions. And anyone who does know this, I can promise you this. When the show is over, Pat will give you a kiss on the mouth for knowing it. That's a promise, okay? Anyway, this song is called Interruptions, and yeah, it's a very old song, and we thought we'd play it tonight, so listen to a song you've never heard.
1, 2, 3, 4. I'm the same, the place, the space, and all of my clothes. Interruptions are always on my mind. Interruptions, you know I like to unwind. I do at the time, say like to unwind. My mama's so much trouble in the world. Every subject lay out like a blanket of hell.